Did you know there are blanks you could heat press that are 100% recycled? For Earth Day, we want to take the opportunity to talk about the value of sustainable practices and show how easy it is to turn recycled blanks into custom retail products with your heat press. But first, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you enjoy heat press content in your feed, be sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Okay, let's dive in. I want to start by saying that using products made with recycled materials has so many benefits. Most importantly, it helps to divert waste from landfills and our oceans. According to the EPA, only about 30% of almost 300 million tons of consumer waste is recycled, and we gotta do better. Recycling isn't a cost, it's an investment in the planet and your business. You see, according to the Arbor Day Foundation, consumers are not only more loyal, but are willing to spend more money with companies that are environmentally conscious. So you get to connect with your customers on a deeper level and increase revenue, all while helping to preserve our beautiful planet. And man, that's a win-win-win in my book. Now, these nylon hats from AS Color are awesome examples of how recycled materials can be crafted into stylish, quality blanks. For this project, I'm using the Surf Cap and the Fin two-tone cap, both of which are made of 100% recycled nylon. Not only are they on trend, but they're lightweight, they dry quickly, and they are the perfect summer hat. We're gonna complement these hats with AS Color's organic staple. Now, what's awesome about the organic cotton is that it's made with no crazy chemicals or pesticides or anything like that. And if you know, cotton is a natural material. So when this t-shirt reaches the end of its life cycle, the shirt material is gonna be able to safely decompose in the landfill without staying there forever like other plastic things like your toothbrush and other plastic items. Let me show you how easy it is to press these. Now, for this project, I'm going to be using TruePrint Custom DTF transfers and the Stahl's Hotronix 360 IQ cap press. My press is set to 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds with medium firm pressure. To load my hat onto the lower platen, I'll remove any inserts and then fold back any sweatbands or flaps. With the hat on the press, I'll use the clamp to hold the hat in place. When pressing hats, I like to use a strip of heat tape on both sides of the DTF transfer. This helps me to position the transfer and secure it in place for the press. Once it's set, I'll cover it with a small sheet of parchment paper and press. When the timer reaches 0, this machine opens automatically. And these transfers can be peeled hot or cold, so on this hat, I'll show you what a hot peel looks like. And that looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and press our other hat with our other image. I'll repeat the exact same steps. We're gonna remove any inserts, fold back the band, and secure the hat in place. Then I'll position my transfer and press. Once it's done, I'll carefully peel it off to reveal our finished product. To press my t-shirt, I'm gonna bring out the HPN TrueSpec 16 by 20 inch hybrid auto open heat press. I absolutely love this machine. We're gonna go ahead and slide out the lower platen, place our t-shirt down, pre-press it for about 5 to 7 seconds to remove any wrinkles and moisture. And then we can bring in our TruePrint Custom transfer, position that on the t-shirt, cover with parchment, and press. Our press is set to 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds with a medium firm pressure. Once the timer reaches 0, we're gonna open up this heat press and give it a hot peel and reveal our beautiful t-shirt. For DTF transfers, I like to give a repress of about 7 to 10 seconds just to make sure that everything is sealed into that t-shirt and I'm gonna get the absolute best feel and longevity out of my transfer. These hats look awesome and I feel awesome knowing the materials in these hats are gonna be used and loved instead of forgotten in a landfill or worse, floating around in the ocean. This t-shirt is also awesome and I love being able to use organic cotton that's both sourced and manufactured ethically and sustainably. This is just one way to help make Earth Day every day. You can find more about AS Color products and their commitment to sustainability at ascolor.com. And that's color spelled C-O-L-O-U-R. The Stahl's Hotronix 360 IQ cap press, TrueSpec 16 by 20 inch hybrid auto open heat press, and TruePrint Custom DTF transfers featured in this video are all available at heatpressnation.com, where you can find a huge selection of heat printing equipment, materials, and supplies.